Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What follows is a list of tools that you should carry while driving. So the first tool is your driving license. So before you get to your car and start driving, ensure that you have carried your driving license. You might be stopped by the police for any reason, and the first thing he will ask you is to produce your driving license. The second tool is insurance sticker. Police do occasionally check whether your car is insured or not. It is an offense to drive a car that is not insured. Remember to check whether your insurance has expired and renew. The third tool is a spare wheel or tire. Make sure that you have an inflated spare wheel in your car. Do not let your journey stop because you forgot to carry your spare wheel. Then the fourth tool is your Carjack. Most cars come equipped with a Carjack. If your car does not have, or if it is too small, ensure you have one, or you will incur unnecessary expenses hiring a Carjack to change your tire. The fifth tool is jump cable. Jump cables will be of help if your car runs down on battery. With jump cables, you can use any motorist's car to get your car started. And then the sixth tool is flashlights. Flashlight is important if your car breaks down at night. It will help you to see or find the problem. The seventh tool is coolant and water. Certain driving conditions like stop and go traffic on a hot day can put significant stress on the cooling system, causing it to fail and make your car to overheat. If there is no mechanic near, water and coolant would help you to solve the problem short term. And then another last tool is Lifesaver. You should always carry two different Lifesavers with you. They are required to be placed at least 30 meters behind and in front of the car, just in case your car breaks down in the middle of the road.